Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce another package for having volumetric clouds in Unity. Okay, we should first take a look at this repository which has been released 4 years ago by this guy, Jago Cool. I will share this link in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip of this project, and after that drag and drop the assets folder into your projects folder. So whenever you have done this step, you will see here there is the assets of this project, and here we have demo scene. As you can see, it is truly beautiful. But let's do some actions to make it more optimized. Let me make it bigger, maybe something like this. Okay, now if I play the scene, look at this. It is very beautiful. And the FPS is almost 120. Now, make it a little bit better and optimize it. If I do say, okay, first we should have a UI event system to be able to interact with the UI. And now, for example, if I do this, now the FPS is a little bit higher. And now if I do in the animation, set speed 0 and direction 0 and wind 0. Okay, now this FPS is better. And in the shape, we can change the shapes here, the shapes of the clouds. For example, scale of them smaller or bigger, kind of smoother. And now we can say, let's make it a little bit less details, or here it is high details. I prefer less detail, more realistic. And here we can say the minimum and maximum of the shapes, it's here, and the coverage. Look at this is smaller or the highest one, and a high cloud coverage. It's kind of make it horizontal, more far for the view. And here we can say, okay, a low frequency noise, or the better, here the car noise here as well, or the white noise is here. What I say? No, let's turn it off. It's kind of overcast, cloudy. Alright, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.